Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search within the Bible on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the Bible button down below, which is the second option. Then tap on the search icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And then you should type in a keyword that you are looking for. And here you can find the relevant passages that contain that particular keyword that you have searched for. So if you have found that passage, just tap on it, and here you will be able to read the full chapter by tapping on the read full chapter button. So here you can find it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.